Coral reefs are well-researched ecosystems, known for their high biodiversity and global importance. In shallow waters, they can easily be accessed by scuba divers, where researchers now have a good understanding of many of the ecosystem processes that occur. However, as we descend into the depths, it's a different story. We know very little about these ecosystems, including aspects such as the communities that are present, their distribution, and how they may be connected to shallow water habitats. Technological advances allow us to access the deep ocean more easily. The Starbug autonomous underwater vehicle is capable of taking thousands of images of the seafloor, whilst also collecting data on a range of environmental variables, like temperature, light, and salinity. This allows us to identify which variables may be influencing the communities that we see in the images. Our research has identified areas of high coral cover at depths of 20 to 30 metres. Whilst little work has been done at these depths, we think these deep coral populations may be more sheltered from disturbances such as high wave energy, cyclones, and maybe even coral bleaching. It's a good sign for the Ningaloo Park to find such healthy coral populations at these depths. As we get deeper and the seabed consists of higher amounts of sand and gravel, among occasional rocky outcrops, we see a distinct change in the biological communities present. Highly diverse and dense sponge gardens have been observed, where many species are unique to these deeper areas. Many of these species are non-photosynthetic, meaning they are not reliant on the high light levels like corals. They provide three-dimensional structure in areas where corals are unable to grow. This can provide important habitats for many other organisms, including fish. Another exciting discovery was dense beds of the solitary coral Cycloceras distorta. Millions of individuals were observed along a 3-kilometre stretch at about 40 metres below the surface. This has never been seen in the Ningaloo Park before, showing just how biodiverse this region really is. Once fieldwork is complete, it's time to get back to the computers to crunch the data and make sense of the discoveries. Specialist programs are used to process the acoustic data to create digital models of the seafloor, providing a picture of the underwater landscape. From this, we can calculate additional geomorphological properties of the seafloor, such as slope and rugosity. Each provides a different perspective of the seafloor characteristics, which can be important to distinguish between habitat types. We then overlay the video data on the acoustics, where we can use statistical modelling techniques to extrapolate out this habitat information to create full coverage habitat maps. Our results have shown that the biological communities show strong affiliations with different substratum types. So identifying the spatial arrangement of these habitats is important for management and conservation. This work we are doing has important implications for effective management of the Ningaloo Marine Park. If we don't know what's there, then it's really difficult to manage appropriately. The spatial composition and arrangement of habitats, as well as their associated biological communities, is a common priority for managers and can be used to assess any future changes. The high and unique biodiversity we have observed in the deeper waters show just how special these habitats truly are. Thanks a lot for listening.